Do you aim for all your components to be like one component that can do everything, or do you find yourself doing like small little versions of the same component?
I think it depends on the use case. Yeah, if you have a section that it might be unique, we just have this section, it's going to be a component that maybe they want to reuse at some point in another page. So I would turn a component. But then you have maybe a component where you have like your typical header, paragraph, a couple of buttons that is more like global, and it's something that you're going to be using like a lot of times, or even cards. So it's something that you can just have your grid, and then you put like your cards in the slot so you can keep adding more. Also thinking about how it works with the CMS. So there are like many different levels of components, more like big components where you have maybe like a full section of things like, your footer or navigation and things like this. But then you have also like micro components, I would say, those things that you can drag and drop. And I like to also have, or even go a step like deeper, like if you have your card, that it might be a component that it will go into a slot, which is a grid. But then even inside the card, I will put like another slot, let's say for your icon. So if we have 20 icons, I will turn all 20 icons into a component as SVG so they can actually drag and drop. So you can keep building. It's like micro components and components within components, which is something that I learned from the design system when I was like building those.
Yeah, it's component inception, component in a component.